We have started by saying man is national.
Hi guys, welcome to yet another vlog. So it's a new week. Today is on Monday. I'm actually from school right now. We had 2 classes in the morning hours. So I had one from 9 to 11 and another one from 11 to 1. So yeah, it's lunch hour right now. I am having chapo and mayai for chapati and mayai wrapped inside and kachumbari for lunch, and then I'll go back to school. I have another class at 2 to 4. So yeah, as you can see guys, I undid my hair. I undid my hair over the weekend, so this week we're rocking my natural hair guys. morning, guys. So I've just woken up. Today is on Thursday. Let me just tell you guys, wow, this semester is crazy. Like, me nishachoka, by the way. Like, for the past few days I've just been going to class. Like, natoka huko asubuhi narudi huku jioni. Like, what? Apana, like, yeah, so I just feel so tired. Today's classes may bounce cause there's the first lesson will bounce to, and then the rest kuna an engineering conference that is taking place. But me design imechoka by the hata nasikia tu this is a free day for me. Like, I don't want to go out, I don't want to go anywhere. Like, I just want to take this free day cause nimechoka tu by the way. Yeah, so yeah, I'm planning to do my laundry today cause I want to go home for the weekend na nataka kwenda kesho, so that I get my hair done on Saturday and then I come back on Sunday cause we have classes since morning on Monday. Like, wow, that's the cycle. Like, wow, the semester is crazy. Like, wow, isha rudi back to them days, manze. Like, we've been so chilled of late, but now I'm back to the student me. Yeah, so but first I just want to make tea, guys. Like, me, I've been waking up at around, my classes, most of them zinaanza 8, so I've been waking up at around 6:57, and I always think, like, if I wake up 1 hour early I'll be able to get ready, have breakfast, leave. Like, yeah, but may fail. Like, I've had so many failed attempts at that. So, like, at this Japan have breakfast. Like, I've just been waking up, getting ready, and then time nafikiria hata nakoroga tu, like naikoroga, and then nikianza kuchukua nakujiwa twende class, msee time imefika. Like, wow, I haven't had tea and I'm such a tea person. Like, wow, sijakunywa chai siku ngapi. Like, wow, I just wanna make tea right now and have the tea. Like, ka nimechill tu, nikunywe chai nimalize a whole cup cause, man, wow, I saw that meme, like, old people things that you do. Sasa mimi yangu inakwanga kunywa chai, but I don't like the tea with milk, so I prefer the black tea. Yeah, it's either I take the black tea or the milk itself. So let's make tea and then I'm going to do my laundry. Hi guys, so I just want to just say something, cause like sijui inakuanga aje. So I was watching my videos and then like I noticed, that's why I watch my videos by the way, so that I can learn from the mistakes. So I was just watching and then nikapata like unaona venye like my vlogs some of the times I explain what I am doing with text, like with words. So nimeangalia and then I was just watching and then nikapata there's a vlog I misspelled a word. So for me like nakuanga just a bit of a perfectionist, not so much, but most of my friends wananiambianga like I am a perfectionist. Like if something is not 100%, like acha ikae, like acha tu ikae. So like I'm just here, I'm feeling, oh my god, that one mistake like ili ruin the whole vlog. But then I'm like, I am a human being, like I make mistakes, like but the urge to not like privatize the video so that people cannot like, what? No, that's not a good trait. Like that's one thing I don't like about myself, because like one tiny mistake inaweza fanya tu like ni cancel a whole thing ama like ni back off, like yeah. But otherwise like I'm just so proud, like nikiwatch my vlogs from like 1 year ago na nikiwatch sahi this growth. So yeah guys, I really appreciate you, because like your support is what keeps me going. Sometimes I get comments ama DMs, like ama nikimeet wase shule, yeah. Oh shit, nime overshare, but yep, you guys are family, so it's okay.